Hi everyone, welcome here in today's educational video. I'm very happy to welcome Peter, who is the Global Sales Manager for Humic. Welcome Peter today.
Hi Ivana, thank you for the introduction. So I'll just give you a brief overview of what are humic acids and some important things you should keep in mind when looking at the different available products on the marketplace. So first, in simple words, what are humic acids? So humic acids are actually naturally occurring organic compounds that form through the decomposition or humification of organic matter. Specifically, humic acids are one of the three main components of humic substances. The other two are fulvic acids and humins. What separates them, other than different composition, is that usually humic acids are only soluble in alkaline pH, so usually in very base conditions, whereas fulvic acids are soluble across all pH levels from acidic to base, and humins are non-soluble. So that's the main distinguishing point between humic and fulvic and humins within the humic substances group. In terms of their usage, humic acids have gained the most attention in research and development or in scientific circles because of their various properties, not only in soil, but also in living organisms, whether it's for human beings or for animals in animal husbandry or even for your household pets. So due to their unique molecular structure or composition, they have various physical and chemical properties that enable them to or provide them with certain functions within an environment. So their role in the ecosystem, for example, is if we take soils, one of their main roles is supporting good soil structure. So they're responsible for soil aggregation. And they also maintain good soil buffering capacity, which they prevent soils from becoming too acidic or too alkaline. They improve soil water management and all the way up to things such as improved nutrient management. These are one of the main functions. So pretty much humic acids are sort of like an operating system, natural environment or of the soils.
Okay, so can we maybe just kind of go back and summarize what we have just discussed? So as you mentioned there, like it's very important to educate ourselves about humic acids, what they are not, what they are part of, and you just simply explained their basic behavior in the nature and how they are created. And obviously, at the end of the day, humic acids are part of the humus. We all know as you mentioned there, they are the foundation of all living organisms. So they pretty much play a very important role in the nature. And obviously, as you said, their application, it's just very flexible, whether we are talking for the soil purposes or animal husbandry or even pets or even humans, because we all know that humic overall and its mission is to help recover or revitalize the food chain. So we have to be thinking soil, animal human nexus as a complex structure. So it's just not like a single usage. But obviously, in order to understand what we do, why we do it, it's very important to go back to basics and understand their behavior in the nature. And these are the natural humic acids.
Yes,
yeah.
Agreed. So I think, there's a whole lot of information to be shared, but one of the key things is that the humic acids are, they're ubiquitous. They're found everywhere around us in small traces. Pretty much everywhere. Grass grows in soils, in standing waters, in peat, in then you have the much higher concentrations in lignite, and then you have the highest concentrations in leonardite, which is pretty much oxidized lignite. The thing is that humic acids take a certain time to form. This is why the concentrations increase if you have certain geological conditions present. And then they form into, that's why you have the highest content in leonardite. But if you're doing composting in your garden, you have humic acids forming in your compost. If you have healthy soil with an abundant amount of organic matter, you're guaranteed to have a certain amount of humic acids as well. So these are naturally occurring with the decomposition of mainly organic residues, plants, and any other vegetative materials that are decomposing or humifying.